Have you ever seen these lines on your phone or camera while taking a picture or shooting a video and wondered, what are those or how can I use them? I totally did. I did not know what these were and I learned. And today I'm going to teach you how to use them as well. So let's go. This is called the rule of thirds. And what this do, it shows you where to put your object when you take a photo or shoot a video. See these points where the lines cross? Our eyes loves to look at them. So that's where you put the person or the object that you are taking a picture of or making a video about. But it's not always that. As you can see right now, I'm in the middle, but I am using the top line to put it on my eye level. So I don't know if it's perfectly on the line or not, but try to put it as close as possible. So like that, you have space above you a little bit. It's not like too far up or too far down. It is a really good level to have your eye on it when you talk like this video. If you are going to just talk like this and have like tutorial or something like that, you can have it like this. But usually in the interviews, you will see the person either is on left or right side. It's not in the middle, and that person is usually put on one of these cross points. It's not only about people or objects, but if you have a horizon, you can put the horizon on the top line or bottom line. It will make your photos and videos look amazing. But not just that. If you zoom all the way out and put a person on the bottom line, it will show that this person going through something bad, or I don't know, some bad things happens to that person. And like that, you can just give people ideas about your video as well. So the rule of third is not only about the position and make your video look better, but it is mostly about that. You can use them sometimes to give some idea to the people who are watching your video or looking at your photos. So remember, rule of thirds is a really easy way to make your videos look interesting and photos look awesome. Use this and make your videos a lot better. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was a really short video about the rule of thirds. If you enjoyed and if you learned something, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. And also, if you have any question, if you want me to make any videos, any tutorials, just put it in the comments and I will make it. Thank you so much and see you guys soon.